Hello, and I am going to demo my Rails and JavaScript application called Book Club. In my terminal, I have just reset my database, and now I'm going to start up the server. And this is the home page for my Book Club application. It gives you 3 options to log in, sign up, or log in with GitHub. So I'm going to show off these options. So let's do a login with GitHub. And it says, hello Monica. With no book reviews, I am in my seeded data. I don't have anything under my GitHub profile. I'll show you what I do have. So when I log in, let's see, so I can log out here. I'll show a login, and let's use a login of somebody that we don't have. So let's try dadmom.com with some password and log in. Slow today. So since I don't have an account with that login information, it automatically takes me to the create new account. So I'm going to show a new account. And then create my user here. And that should take me to my homepage, my user homepage. Hello Mia. And since this is a new account, there are no reviews. So let's log out and let's log in with somebody who already has an account with some data. So let's use this is the homepage of Remy LeBeau, and these are the book reviews that Remy has given for The Hobbit and for Jane Eyre. And in this user homepage, we can click on the book and go to the book details, where it gives you a little bit more with the author, the genre, the number of pages, and the average rating and how many reviews, and then gives a summary of what the reviews are here. And then you can add a new comment on the book. So since we're here, let's take a look at that feature. So as you can see, Remy has already done this. So let's see what happens if I try to add another review. Let's give it a 5. Let's create review. So then, since I already have the review, it takes you to edit, and pre-submits the data there. The data that was already in there is pre-entered, so you can just change it here, and then it would update reviews. So let's assume that maybe I'm not going to appoint. I can hit update review, and now it takes me back to my home page with the updated review here. Cool, and then you can also delete reviews, so we can delete. So this one asks, are you sure you want to delete it? Hit OK. And it takes takes you to the home page where there's no review here. Okay, so that's the user. Then I can go to the book list, where I can see all of the books that were on here. So kind of gives you a brief summary. So if I go to Jane Eyre, hit more info, gives you just a little bit more of the genre and the number of pages, and then what the different ratings are, or reviews are. Info, and you can do that for each book. And then you can also sort by average rating, and it gives you the ratings here sorted. And then I can add new book. Let's add a new book. Harry Potter. Genre, fantasy, number of pages. I don't know, lots. Let's just pick one. You can. So this shows you. Since the book club, like what month we're going to assign it to. So we do August, and then what year, 2019, and we can create a new book. And this book has not yet been, so this is a new book that has not yet been rated. And then I can put this book rocks. Give it a 5, and we'll create review, and that just adds the review without reloading the page. That's the JavaScript. And then go back to my reviews, and there's the new review on the home page. If we go to book list, if we want to add a new book, and let's say that let's do reviews, and then create new book. And there's some validations to create a book. So there's errors. So the author can't be blank. Your sign can't be blank. So this checks to make sure that it's starts with a 1900 or 2000, and your sign should be. So those are the validations on this page. And I believe if I didn't put a title in there, that one should also be. Yeah, title can't be blank as well. And let's see. Is there anything else to show here? So it should also have the session saved. So if I'm home without logging out, if I go to book list or my reviews, it's still under Remy's session. Cool. And then let's go to my. So just some general things. My JavaScript. So under my books, I'm showing. This is for the more information part of the web page. So so when the button more info is clicked, it adds genre, number of pages, review, and reviews to it without the JavaScript is showing the need to not reload the entire page. And also the new review that I showed when I added the book, when I automatically added the review that also just added it to the page without having to reload. And then this is the index page, the sort by highest rating. This shows the list, the average rating here. And this is the sort function. That's the JavaScript. Here's, I have a sessions controller to show the sessions. The book stuff is pretty standard. Shows my validations using active record. Serializers. And just the HTML stuff. This is the form. And this shows, this is just the errors. Checks the errors. I think that's basically it for the demo. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully I explained it well enough to show what I know. Thanks a lot.